Yeah, sorry, Thursday, December 23rd, the day before the holiday break. We just missed this one. It's not SOPA. It's BFRI. We just missed our risk level here. Getting pretty good at spotting it. It was right here. It just popped up out of nowhere, right? We were just rolling through all the rest. See, I remember how I told you about this 12 level. I don't know if you guys are watching my channel or not, but this 12 level it's critical that it breaks it. Now that it came running up out of nowhere. Look at it. It came running up out of nowhere after today. Up into 12, above 12, and now we're going to break this little pattern above 12. And meanwhile, I missed it. Look at, I was looking for 1225. I was looking for 1225. Right? Yeah, dang it. Not that it would have been a huge move right yet, but I mean, that's 2 or 3% already up in the game, right? A lot of people are probably thinking about taking it now with their risk at 65 and 32. So, dang it, missed it. So, do you chase it? You got to be quick because I just made the decision to change my mind up to that spot, and 31. We still have the choice here at 65. I think we should take it just to be on the safe side. So there's the pattern, if anybody sees it. And we broke my 12 spot, right? Got about 34 minutes to go here until the end of the day. Got to give it some room. It's getting edgy here. It's getting edgy here. This might be the end of it. And if we had had it at the 25, you could make an educated decision now, right? I really need it to hold above the 50 here. If it holds that level and goes up from here, we're okay. 3 seconds till this candle's over. There's the next candle. Already, yeah. So I quickly jumped on that and put an order in to add more to the position at 1280. It's at 1281 actually. So there's 1280. That's what I was saying. Once it breaks that 1280, 1281, it'll go up. But if it didn't break it, then we got lucky that we didn't get loaded, right? Because then you're adding to your risk. 45-second mark. See these last 15 seconds? These dictate what the next candle is going to build like. 10 seconds into the next candle, that's 15 seconds. There we are adding. Should probably think about getting that stop up in here now. Tighten your risk. 60s. 60s just to be safe. Get back over to this macro approach. See, it's terrible because now we're at 1275 average. We wanted a 25 to start with. Anyway, this should run up nicely. Hopefully. You don't want to get a little ahead. You don't want to squeeze yourself out of this either. I was like, why don't we push the stop up to 88 or something right now? Because you don't want to get shaken out of this now. You've got a fairly big size on this, right? It's a $15,000 position here. You don't want to get squeezed out too early, but you don't want to give it a little bit of room and time, right? And if it looks like it's wanting to drop 1302, Wow, we got out of there with the skin of our teeth, right? So now we're going to move that stop up to 1301. 1301. Modify that stop. Where's that other order? Let's sell. See, no, I hate that when that happens. So I moved that up. I changed the size of it though to a little bit smaller size. We don't really want to get losing a lot of this position now. We're in pretty good shape here, right? So I'd like to take some off, but I don't want to be too kind of, if you were stupid with it. Think about it, right? Think about what you're doing. Don't get so excited. We got this all-time high here coming in. Come on now, hook onto it. So we have this 1463 kind of area. Don't need to get too excited about it. We can just have some patience here. We have that set up. No, I'm frantically moving the buttons and pushing all the things, right? We got a 63. Where's our 61 is our sell. 36 should be. See, this is what I mean. We don't really want to get up and out of here. Look at our stop here. That's a pretty good spot. We have a few minutes left in the day. It's 2% up. Right now the whole position's 9% up, so if we took it off right now, you would make $1,500 almost, right? Makes me want to put in a different order here, doesn't it? That sell limit 1390 91. No, what is this? 1406. 1410. Come on, hurry up. Shit, hurry up. 14.10. 400 units there. So this is a different order. And hopefully it'll push into it. Go, baby, go, go, go. 1410. It had it. Oh no, come on, take it. Take it. Give it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Oh, it's so close. Oh no. Oh no, I can't believe we missed that. Oh, my hair. Oh. That would have been the top of the top. Maybe it'll come out of here, but I doubt it. Yeah, so there's that one limit off at the bottom there. And typically now we're going to see it turn around because it took us out, right? And that's kind of the point. When it takes us out, we're in the right spot for it to actually bounce and turn around. So we're going to leave the other one there for now. Yeah, and we're going to leave our stop where it should be. Unless you wanted to chase it up to there, right? Because if you're leaving some on the table here, how much are you leaving on the table here? 3 more percent. So I would change it from 2% take to a 5% take. It's a close call, isn't it? And then the next question is, how much of this do you want to hold into the weekend? You know what we're going to do? We're going to do the best of both worlds. We're going to sell, stop, shoot, hurry up. 1350. 1350. Make sure that number is right. It's actually 1344. And that's a sell, stop on the way back. Yep. And that will be protecting that, right? That side of it. Okay, good. So there you go. That's in a pretty good spot there. A lot of lines on this thing, eh? Let's see if we can... See, sometimes you think you want more position when it's going well. Well, I feel like it's coming into it now. Oh, there you go. See how it dropped, power drop there? So that took out the 400. Now we have a 400 stop loss in a protected spot, and we also have that 400 limit at the top if it goes there again. Which, when we get there, we could actually change that to maybe a 200 limit. Yeah, because now we're at about a $5,000 position. So if this goes back up to 10, we could just change it to 200 maybe. That's probably what we should do. I'm going to adjust that right now. Amount of units to 200 units. So we can, actually we're going to do it again, sorry, to 210. 210, so it's, yeah, there you go there. And then when we get up there, we might want to move it up a bit more. If we get up there. I can't believe we missed that. What is the high there? 1410, and we're at 1410. We just, son of a. Looks like we might be getting a little push out of here. So that's good. Should we take some more off at like 4? I don't know. See, this is where it gets tricky. Gotta be careful above this 90 area. This is me thinking. 56. So we're gonna adjust this to 32 quickly. We're going to build another cell stop on the way back down at 1359. Hurry up, hurry up. For 200. Hurry up. There we go. So now we're completely out of our hands. Where did I have that? That's up at 32. So I'm just going to want to stagger jump these, right? Or we're going to get paid right there and be okay with it. Always make sure that your orders are set in proper values. So if it jumps up really quickly now, you're not going to do something stupid. So that was another fill. It's getting kind of indecisive here. Should probably record this drop. See how it's going to be really. It's going to chew around here. It's going to act weird. Yeah, it's going to want to. We'll see how many minutes it'll take here to shake out this little. Whatever you want to call it. And we should record that in real time. Look at how it dropped. Let's see that drop. So now we're going to turn this order off. You have to do these things. You have to do it quickly. You shut these orders off quickly. And there it is. That's the end of that trade. Kind of missed it, eh? Because, well, we didn't miss it, but I mean, I wanted 25. I think we averaged into it pretty good. That wasn't bad. Now, we've got 11 minutes till the end of the day. Is this something you want to hold over the holiday weekend kind of thing? Let's check the news. So no new news that I can see, but, you know, this news can sometimes be a little elusive. Yeah. Yeah, the only news I could find that was 5 hours ago was a guy's obituary. Look at, he's got a nice fish. Well, there's the whole shooting match. I had to get my calculator out, and it was an $867.71 profit there. We do have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, $30 in commissions on that one move, so it's like $837, let's just say. Went pretty good actually, eh? Like 338 on the first one, 266 on the next one, 153, and then 58 for the final. Not too bad, I guess. $830 after commission. Absolutely. That's what we're trying to figure out here. It's how to trade, not what you trade. 5 minutes left in the day here. Do you think we should? I don't know about holding anything overnight. That's one of my rules: is don't hold anything overnight. So some of the biggest gains you can make though are the ones overnight. So I've just had big burns overnight. Yeah, holding overnight is kind of a lot of hope, right? So we got 15 seconds left until the close. You really put a lot of hope into it, right? Like there's not a lot of, you don't really have a ton of control. It's closing pretty strong here. We're not going to do anything though. Watch it go bonkers. Here's the close. Well, there you go. The end of the day. Looks like we made the right decision. You'll never know until Monday. And the way things have been working out lately, everything is in play. Um, how do you think we got onto this one? Because we've been watching it since 2 weeks ago. Like, share, subscribe. We do this in real time every time, and it's not what you trade, it's how you trade. You have to come back for your subscription, or you have to have a subscription, or you won't get your high fives. Until the next bounce, everyone. Happy trading. Happy trading for you.